Are you ready to shape the future with AI? Whether you're just starting out or are looking to further your knowledge, there's a few courses for you. First up, the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This course is a deep dive into the world of AI, exploring everything from the basic principles to real-world applications. You'll learn all about machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. To join the ranks of AI experts shaping the future, simply enroll via the link in the description. Next, the IBM Applied AI Professional Certificate. This course is your ticket to a career in AI. You'll learn Python, how to build chatbots, and get to grips with machine learning and computer vision. You'll also master the creation of AI chatbots without coding, using IBM Watson, and develop practical skills in computer vision. For those aspiring to become AI engineers, the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate is the way to go. You'll learn how to extract business insights from big data, explore machine learning algorithms, and gain hands-on experience with various tools. If you're interested in understanding and constructing convolutional neural networks, CNNs, the computer vision course is for you. You'll learn all about image classification and processing using industry-standard tools. The Intro to AI Ethics course offers a comprehensive guide to the ethical considerations of AI. You'll learn how to navigate the ethical landscape and ensure the moral design of AI systems. The course AI Matters takes you on a journey through the evolution and impact of AI on modern societies. You'll uncover the opportunities and risks associated with AI and learn strategies to navigate its future. In the Elements of AI course, you'll discover what AI is truly capable of, explore its limitations, and even start creating your own AI methods. Finally, the Ethics of AI course provides a deep understanding of the ethical dimensions of AI. You'll learn what is ethically sustainable and how to approach AI from an ethical standpoint. And there you have it, the best AI courses to take your knowledge to the next level. All the links to these courses are in the description. Are you ready to shape the future with AI? Enroll today and start your journey.